Have you ever stared at your beautiful homemade chocolate-covered strawberries and thought, now what? You know they deserve packaging as stunning as they are. Don't worry, I've been there too, and I'm here to share my foolproof way to package them like a pro. Trust me, it's so easy, and the results? Absolutely gift-worthy. First things first, grab some white paper cupcake liners. I know, it's basic, but hear me out. When you plop those strawberries into those pristine white liners, the contrast with the chocolate is just chef's kiss. It's like they're all dressed up and ready to party. Plus, it keeps the kings neat, because no one wants chocolate smudges everywhere. Been there, done that. And hey, if you're feeling extra fancy, you can even use gold or pastel liners for a more festive vibe. Gold liners are my favorite for holiday gifting, because nothing says, I put effort into this, like a touch of gold. And if you're making these for a kid's party, go wild with themed liners. Unicorns, superheroes, dinosaurs, you name it. Trust me, the kids will love it and you'll officially be the cool adult. Once you've got all your strawberries tucked into their little liners, it's time to level up. If you're feeling fancy or you're trying to score some major brownie points, we've all been there, grab a heart-shaped box. It's perfect for Valentine's Day, anniversaries, or even just because. Surprise. But let's be real, those heart boxes can be pricey. If you're not about that life, no worries. A rectangular white paper box with a clear window does the trick beautifully and costs way less. Win-win, right? Pro tip. If you're using a clear window box, make sure the strawberries with the prettiest drizzles or decorations are front and center. Presentation is everything. I always save the most Instagram-worthy ones for the top layer. Because let's face it, we all eat with our eyes first. Now, here's where the magic happens. Start placing those strawberries into the box, still in their liners. Make sure they're snug but not squished. We want them cozy, not suffocated. Oh, and don't overthink the arrangement. It's strawberries in a box, not rocket science. But if you're feeling a little artsy, alternate the directions of the stems for a polished look, or just throw them in randomly and call it rustic chic. Either works. Once you've got them all packed up, close that lid and take a moment to admire your masterpiece. Seriously, doesn't it look stunning? Like something straight out of a bakery display case. Tie a little ribbon around the box if you're feeling extra fancy, and voila! You've just turned your homemade treats into a gift-worthy creation. Oh, and don't forget to snap a picture for your Instagram, because if it's not on the gram, did it even happen? Show off your creation and watch those likes roll in. Who knows? You might inspire someone to make their own. Bonus tips. Oh, and here's one last tip from me. If you're gifting these on a warm day, pop a small ice pack under the box or use a cooler bag to keep them from melting. Nobody wants a box of sad, melted strawberries. Trust me, it's heartbreaking. Also, don't forget to sneak one for yourself before handing the box over. Quality control is important, right? And there you have it. A foolproof way to package chocolate-dipped strawberries that looks as good as it tastes. But wait, what about making those chocolate-covered beauties in the first place? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here's a little teaser. Have you ever wondered how to get that flawless, glossy chocolate finish on strawberries? The kind that screams professional bakery vibes. In my next video, I'll share all my secrets, from the easiest chocolate dipping techniques to a clever trick that keeps your chocolate from pooling at the bottom. Spoiler alert, it's so simple, you'll never buy pre-made ones again. Think glossy chocolate that clings perfectly to each strawberry and a few hacks to make the process stress-free and fun. Intrigued? Plus, I'll drop links to my favorite boxes and liners below so you can complete the whole package. Go ahead and make someone's day sweeter, and don't forget to send me pics of your creations. See you in the next video.